Fast charging cables and chargers ensure rapid, safe power delivery, reducing downtime and keeping smartphones, tablets, and laptops ready anytime. My today's video is about top 5 best cable and charger combo that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at QNTRY cable and charger combo. This 25W USB-C fast charging kit delivers an excellent balance of speed, convenience, and safety for users who need reliable, everyday charging. Supporting PD 3.0 technology with up to 25W output, it can rapidly power compatible smartphones and tablets, significantly reducing charging time compared to standard adapters. The included 6-foot USB-C cables add flexibility, making it easy to charge devices comfortably at home, in the office, or while traveling. Safety is another strong point, with built-in protections against overheating, overcharging, short circuits, and voltage fluctuations, helping preserve battery health over time. Its broad compatibility with Samsung Galaxy devices, iPhone 15 series, iPads, Pixel phones, and other USB-C electronics makes it a versatile charging solution for households with multiple device brands. The package includes 2 charger blocks and 2 long cables, offering excellent value and a convenient backup charging setup for daily use. Our second product is UBBERG cable and charger combo. The UBBERG 45W USB-C super fast charger is an impressive charging solution designed for Samsung users who want maximum speed and reliability. Featuring super fast charging 2.0 with up to 45W power delivery output, it can rapidly replenish compatible Galaxy devices, making it ideal for busy professionals, travelers, and power users. The included 6.6-foot 100W USB-C to USB-C cable adds exceptional value, supporting high current charging and fast data transfer without requiring additional accessories. Its wide compatibility across Samsung Galaxy S26, S25, S24, S23, S22, Note, and A-series devices ensures long-term usability even when upgrading phones. Build quality feels dependable, with safety-focused engineering that helps protect against overheating, overcurrent, and charging instability. The compact charger block is easy to carry and store, making it perfect for home, office, or travel use. Our third product is Qindan's cable and charger combo. This 2-pack USB-C fast charging kit offers an excellent combination of speed, safety, and value for users with multiple devices. Equipped with Quick Charge 3.0 technology, it delivers noticeably faster charging performance, powering compatible smartphones up to 50% in around 30 minutes. Ideal for busy schedules and frequent travelers. The built-in intelligent IC chip enhances reliability by automatically managing voltage, current, and battery status while protecting against overheating, overcharging, short circuits, and power surges. The included 6-foot USB-C cables provide added convenience, allowing comfortable charging from a distance while supporting data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second for syncing files. Compatibility is another major strength, covering a wide range of Samsung Galaxy phones, Note series devices, Google Pixel models, LG smartphones, and other USB-C electronics. Now number 4, Anker cable and charger combo. This Anker 20W dual-port charger is a practical and reliable everyday charging solution designed for users who value convenience and safety. Delivering up to 20W high-speed charging, it efficiently powers iPhones, Samsung devices, and other USB-compatible gadgets, making it ideal for both home and travel use. The standout feature is its dual-port design, allowing simultaneous charging via USB-C and USB-A without significant performance loss, which is perfect for users managing multiple devices. Despite its compact size, it offers solid power output while remaining highly portable and easy to carry in a pocket or bag. Anker's advanced safety system adds strong peace of mind, featuring over-voltage protection, temperature control, and intelligent safeguards to protect connected devices and ensure long-term battery health. The included 2 5-foot USB-C cables, 18-month warranty, and responsive customer support further enhance its value. And our last choice is Nubble Cable and Charger Combo. This 45W USB-C super fast charging kit is a powerful and versatile solution designed for users with multiple modern devices. Offering broad compatibility across the latest Samsung Galaxy S26 series down to older Note models, as well as iPhone 15 to iPhone 17 series and various iPads, it ensures long-term usability across ecosystems. With 45W power delivery support, it delivers rapid charging performance, significantly reducing downtime for smartphones and tablets. The included 10 feet USB-C to USB-C cable adds exceptional convenience, allowing flexible use even at a distance while maintaining stable 2.7A high-speed charging and 480 megabits per second data transfer. Safety is strongly emphasized, featuring multiple protection layers against overcurrent, overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits, ensuring both device security and charging efficiency. The package includes 2 charger blocks and 2 long cables, making it ideal for home and travel use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.